So I'm going to opening these image properties, and currently as you can see this image size is 12 megabyte. Now let's reduce this image size in Photoshop. Open your Photoshop and import the image, and now go to file, hover over on export and click on save for web, or you can press Alt Shift Ctrl S. Open this save for web window. Here preset, click on this preset drop down and select JPEG low, and here make sure to select low and quality give 8 and click on save, and select the location where you want to export the reduced image and giving name reduced, clicking on save. And now I'm going to the folder, and here we can see the reduced image. Now let's open this image properties, and here we can see after reduce this image size is only 200 kilobyte. Now let's open the first image and let's view a little bit, and then let's open the reduced image. Also let's zoom this image a little bit, and here as you can see this image quality is perfect. So as you can see the sample. So that's how we can easily reduce image size without losing quality in Photoshop.